Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft. Now you know our specialty is pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas, and today I have a beautiful A36 to tell you about. She's turbo-normalized, she is low time, lots of bells and whistles. My favorite part can be summed up in 2 words, Tornado Alley. So let's check out your engine. Yes, it's the turbo-normalized Tornado Alley Whirlwind 2 system. IO550 300 horsepower engine. We have the turbo GAMI injectors, only 320 hours on the engine since major overhaul. And check out your prop. She's a hot prop, only 408 hours on the prop since prop overhaul. So as you can see, this Bonanza has the full de-ice boots on the wings and on the tail. We've also got the DeShannon tip tanks, 20 gallons in there. Total fuel on board, 114 gallons. What that means, we can fly about 1,100 nautical miles without a pit stop. The exterior's in great shape. Matterhorn white with medium gray and claret stripes. Only 1,645 hours total time on the airframe since new. So here we have the large double cargo doors we love about the Bonanza. What's special about this one too, we've got the gross weight increase STC, 3,846 pounds. Now when it comes to loading your passengers, the seating configuration, you know that's versatile. We can change things around. Everyone can be in the club seating configuration or everyone can face forward. I can even remove a seat, and the great thing about it, I don't need any tools. All I need to do is lift up on a seat, pull a pin, and we're good to go. So come on in and check out the interior. Most of it's in just gorgeous condition. Gray leather seats, we've got claret piping, gray carpet looks brand new, and we're pretty much wrapped in leather with beautiful stitching here. Perfect condition. Wonderful riding table. We do have shoulder harnesses for all the occupants, and we have built-in oxygen. The avionics package, it's impressive, with an EFIS PFD and MFD, Garmin G500 EFIS glass panel. You'll enjoy the Navcom GPS #1, that's a Garmin GTN 750 with WAAS. Your #2 Navcom is a Garmin as well. The transponder is a Garmin GTX 330ES with ADS-B out. You have a Stormscope on board, TAWS-B terrain, KFC 200 Autopilot integrated to the G500, a King yaw damp, a graphic engine monitor, and more. Other features you will appreciate: built-in oxygen, factory air conditioning, full de-ice boots. Now remember, you have the gross weight STC to 3,846 pounds. The WingSpar AD does not apply to this aircraft. You have dual flight controls, co-pilot brakes, safe taxi, chart view, flap and aileron gap seals mod, rosin sun visors. Remember now, we have that low time IO550 300 horsepower engine with the Tornado Alley turbo-normalizing system. You'll enjoy standby instruments, a standby generator, and more. So this low time 1996 A36 is looking for a new home. So much to love here. Low time, we've got that turbo-normalizing system. We can fly higher, faster, and more efficiently. A beautiful modernized flight deck with the EFIS system. We've got factory air conditioning. We've got full de-ice boots, the tip tanks, 1,100 nautical miles without a pit stop. Yeah, you need to come check her out before she flies away. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We're Carolina Aircraft. We would love to meet you. Any questions you have, just give us a call, but we'd love to see you in person, up close and personal. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thank you so much for watching.